Welcome to Dream Finance. In this particular video, I'm going to make a live withdrawal on this platform, right? I have already made a video about how to register and start make daily income. So this is the exact video I made on my YouTube channel, right? So you can check it out and also start making money on this platform, right? So I'm going to make a live withdrawal. So to start withdraw your capital, right? You can see I have an amount of 119 Ghana cedis. This is what I'm about to show you how you can withdraw. However, I have already shown how you can register and start investing. So this is a live withdrawal. So I bought the 200 Ghana cedis, right? And daily I earn 55 Ghana cedis, and total income I will get 5,500, and the period is 100 days, right? What you need to do is to click on the mine section here. Once you come to mine section, you can see here is the mine balance. You click on the amount here. So once you click on the amount, it will bring it here. So here you can read the withdrawal instruction here. So minimum withdrawal is 25 Ghana cedis, and the withdrawal hours are from 9 o'clock. And you check our time. The time also is 9:48 a.m. right? So we are on the same time because they said please complete your withdrawal within this time frame. So we are in the middle of the time frame, right? And they said withdrawal process time is 1 to 24 hours, but I'm not sure that it may drop after the withdrawal has been successful, right? So when I enter my amount, which is 119, so after I enter my amount here, then click on withdraw. But please, before we make a withdrawal, we need to do something, right? We come to mine section here again, and you come to bank card, right? Click on bank card. So once you click on bank card, you need to enter your name, select the withdrawal method, which is the network you're using. I'm using MTN, so you select any network you're using. After that, enter your phone number here, but I will tap on confirm. So me, I've already added it. So after that, then you come to the withdrawal section, enter the amount. So after enter your amount, then you click on withdraw now. Yes, you can see application submitted, right? Okay, so it will drop now, right? So let's wait for the withdrawal to arrive in our account. So guys, in few minutes our money has successfully arrived in our account. Check it here, you can see payment received 95 Ghana cedis, right? So guys, this is how you can make withdrawal on this platform. The withdrawal is not daily, right? Once you request your withdrawal, they will approve you and send your money to you, right? But before you dive in, please make sure you make your own personal research, right? Because this video is not educational purpose only. I'm not financial advice, right? So make sure you make your own personal research before you dive in, so that if you make any losses, I'm not responsible for it, right? So guys, you can check the link on the description section or the comment section of this video. Then you can join right after you make your own personal research, right? Guys, we have a WhatsApp group, Telegram channel where we share ways to make money online like this, right? So you can also join us if you are interested. We have a WhatsApp group called Share Your Business. You can also share your business there. But the thing is, the earlier you join, the higher chance of earning more. And I will see you in the next video.